Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you the soundproofing insulation install, and also if you stick around to the end of the video, I'm going to give you a sneak peek of me applying the GreenGlue noise reducing compound. Alright, so I just wanted to show you the product I'm using. It's a sound and fire block. It's a mineral wool insulation, works great for blocking sound, and it also is a fire barrier as well. This is a pretty good size ceiling in the garage. I'm trying to reduce some noise going up into the home upstairs. All I wanted to do was just kind of tuck this stuff in, leave it a little loose. You don't want to push it all the way up to the top. You just kind of want to leave some air to help deaden the sound. All right, so got the sound and fire block insulation up. Then I'm going to use the GreenGlue right on the floor joists and attach 5/8 drywall. Not enough room for resilient channel in this garage because of the garage door openers and the size of the garage doors, so we're just going to attach the 5/8 drywall right to the floor joist. I'm going to use the GreenGlue and also the GreenGlue sealant on all the joints and seams. Stay tuned. All right, so here's the GreenGlue compound. It's basically an oversized caulk tube, so you'll need a larger caulk gun to do this. But you just want to put a nice steady bead on each floor joist. And this stuff really does work, believe it or not. I've used this on many projects and it works great. And then it's time to hang the drywall, and once that's done, I'll be applying the GreenGlue sealant to each joint of the drywall and also around the perimeter. And if you're new to the channel, my name's Paul and I've been a drywall and painting contractor for over 20 years. If you're looking to step up your drywall, texturing, or painting game, be sure to hit that subscribe button in the center of the screen now to keep up with all my latest videos. Look me up on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. Thanks so much for watching. There's more of my most popular video links down below in the description.